Hey guys, it's Victoria. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be finally reviewing the Kylie Cosmetics Valentine's Day collection. This video is going to be up like a week after Valentine's Day because I got these products after Valentine's Day. So sorry about that, but better late than never. I'm going to be reviewing the new eyeshadow palette, the glitter eyes liquid eyeshadow, and a lipstick set. I already have all my face makeup on, so the only face product that came out with this collection was a blush, and I just recently got a bunch of the blushes, and today I'm actually wearing the Kylie Cosmetics blush in the shade Baddie on the Block. So I didn't get the new one. I'm going to be reviewing these products for you guys today, so let's get started. So I'm going to start out with the eyes, and this is the eyeshadow palette in its cardboard box packaging. And then when you take the palette out, it's just a light pink with reflective Kylie letters on it. The shades are on the back and they're also on the palette, and this palette is so pretty. So this is what the palette looks like. This would definitely have been great for Valentine's Day. That's the whole palette, and I am so excited to try these colors out. This whole top row is shimmers, and then the bottom looks like it's all matte. So I'm going to first start out by just priming my lids with an eyeshadow base. I'm going to use a flat eyeshadow brush and go into the matte light shade in the shade Princess. I'm just going to apply this all over my lids. I'm going to go into the shade Pink Problems and apply this into my crease. And now I'm adding the shade February, which is a really pretty light pink. Just layering this over top. The shade Candy Heart, which is a brighter pink, and I'm just going to add this into my crease. I'm applying the shade really lightly because it's really pigmented. I don't want this look to be super bright pink. And then I'm also adding the shade First Date, and I'm applying that over top. And then I'm also applying that on either side of my eye, so on my outer corner and on the inner quarter part of my lids. Now I'm adding the shade Admire. Just going to apply this right towards my crease, and then I'm going back into my three pink colors, just reapplying them over top, some of the pink back through, and then I'm reapplying the shade Admire just to my outer corners to really deepen that spot up. I'm going back in with my concealer, and I'm just going to cut the center of my lid, just the center, so I'm not going all the way out, I'm not going all the way in. So I just swatched these four shades right here, right onto the back of my hand. And they're super pretty. They would definitely look nice over another eyeshadow color. And I think I'm going to use the shade Be Mine right on the center of my lids, is this shade right here. Just going to apply this. It looks super nice on my eyes. And then I'm going to apply the shade Romance right over top, just to the very center. Add some more highlight to the eye. They look even better on the eyes than they do in swatches. And I'm going to go into the shade Pink Problems and February. Just blend out the edge, the shadow on either side. And now I'm going to use the new glitter eyes from this collection in the shade Roses Are Red. And it looks like this. It's a super pretty rose gold, very pigmented. That's how it looks on the back of my hand. And I'm just going to use this on an angled brush. I'm going to apply this right where we cut the crease. And then I'm using the NYX Matte Black Liquid Liner, and I'm just going to create my wings. And now that that is done, I'm going to use a pencil brush and go into the shade Heartthrob, which is a white highlighting color. I'm going to add this just to my inner corners and also to my brow bone. For my lower lash line, I'm going to apply the shades February and First Date. To finish the eyes, I'm going to apply my Ardell lashes and some mascara. For lips, I'm using the Kylie Forever set from the collection. Super cute packaging. Kylie is all written in glitter. Sides have little kisses, and it pulls out, and you have a matte liquid lipstick, a lip liner, and a high gloss. There were 3 sets like this in the collection, So there was more of a pinkier one, this one, and a red one. I'm going to start out with the lip liner in the shade Forever and Always. And then I'm using the matte liquid lipstick in the shade Built to Last. Such a pretty nude color. This is what the lip looks like without the gloss. It's really nice, but for the purpose of this video, I'm going to apply the gloss in the shade Story of Us right over top. I love Kylie's glosses because they're not sticky. This looks super pretty with the gloss on, and even though the gloss looks gold in the packaging, as you guys can see, it does not look gold on lips, so that's really nice. This is the finished look. Overall, I definitely really liked this collection. I love this lip set. I think that the eyeshadows were really, really nice and super pigmented. Especially loved the matte shades. They blended really, really well. So definitely liked the palette, and I love the shade of the glitter eyes. I never know like what to use more of, the shimmery shades in the eyeshadow palettes or the glitter eyes. I decided to kind of incorporate the glitter eyes somewhere in the eye look. So yeah. If you guys got any of these products from the collection, let me know what you guys thought of them down below in the comments. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell button when you subscribe. It's right next to it to turn on my post notifications so you're notified when I upload every single new video. I upload a new video every week, so be sure to go check out last week's video, which my last videos were actually a bunch of Valentine's Day videos. And also be sure to go check out my other latest review on Kylie Cosmetics products, which were the new bronzers, blush, and highlighters. So definitely go check that out if you haven't already. You guys can also find me on Instagram, Facebook, and Snapchat at Victoria Costanz, and on Twitter at Vic Costanz. So make sure you go follow me on there. That's it for today's video, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye!